How to play Minecraft on Smart TV. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you additional information as to how you can play Minecraft on any types of smart television. But first, it's actually case-to-case basis. There is actually a lot of ways for you to be able to play Minecraft on your Android or on your smart TV. The first thing that you can try to do is you can access all settings, and from all settings you're going to make sure what specific type or the make and model of your smart television, if it has a built-in feature that you can connect PS controllers or family games controllers, and that way you can determine that Minecraft is playable on your TV. What you can do next is go into all apps from your smart television app store, and then you can try to look for the Minecraft game. Your last resort is to connect your laptop or maybe your mobile device for you to be able to play Minecraft on your smart TV. So those are the things that you can do for you to play Minecraft on smart TV.